What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play It's 4 AM, I Wonder What You Do by Shiloh Dynasty. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. It's got 4 different chords that repeat throughout the entire song, and I'm also going to show you how you can play the riff that's in the song on the guitar. If you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description, and if you need the guitar tab, you can find that in the video description as well. Starting with the riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, you're going to put your index finger on the D string on the 2nd fret, your pinky finger on the G string on the 4th fret, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. And you're gonna pick B, G, D, B, G, D, high E, G, D, B, G, D, G. Once you get that riff down, I'll show you the chords. Again, it's just 3 chords that repeat throughout the entire song. The first one is going to be the A major. It's going to be 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Then you're going to go F sharp minor, which is 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. And then D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. And then as part of the chord progression, it goes back to A before it all repeats. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Throughout all the chords, it looks like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.